set up now. It's a waiting game, boys. Just like last week. Yeah. Yeah, we have take some test shots. Right on the limb. I had to switch this lens over, man. Holy smokes. I heard the kingfisher. He's out. He's out. There he is. There he is. Oh, only got a little bit. Those birds, man, they are so frustrating. You get like 30 seconds with them, and they're gone. Oh, maybe they'll come back. They just fly back and forth, man, back and forth. They're just constantly moving. Oh well. So as a side note, as a learning lesson, as I'm having these birds constantly come from one angle to the other, I've come to the conclusion the 300 to 800 is just too big for this tent, and it is scarce. I have the 800 mil f11. I'm probably going to bring in next time, even though I'm going to lose a ton of light. This camp, the 800 mils are just too big. They stick too far in, and trying to get them positioned. The 800 mil f11, that really small lens in the 600 is much more ideal, because you can just kind of pop it in, pop it out without moving the blind and trying to situate yourself, because it just seems very difficult right now. You lose some image quality and some light, but man, it's just so much easier to move around in this tent. Anyway, got probably about an hour left of light before it gets too harsh. Yeah, you're more killed here. Where they at? Oh, there's one. We'll have some fun with him. Some fun. Hey, little dude. Yes, little guys. Yeah, there we go. Lost you. Gotcha. So I got a lot of these little tiny sandpipers. They're called, I guess, least sandpipers. Little tiny guys. They're all over. They come in flocks, like a little group of quail, kind of migrate. They just look like a sandpiper. Maybe they're a miniature one. Yeah, kind of cool little shorebirds. Cute little guys. Well, guys, it's been a good morning. Some hawks, killdeer, brief kingfisher, which is my nemesis, which I was trying to get a little bit better photos of. Some mini sandpipers. These little guys are really cute. They worked. I think the photos worked in pretty well, and a glimpse of a mink. So yeah, we got 5 things. I'll take that on any morning. It's been very nice, and it's actually a lot later than I thought it was going to be out shooting. Not because I didn't want to. Usually the light is a little harsher and the animals go away a lot quicker. So yeah, so if you like this stuff, you guys know what to do, and hopefully I'll see you in the next couple weeks.